Hi folks, I am 12MJRPMDS14. You may refer to me as either 12MJ, and or just MJ. So far I'm making a video regarding like a VRChat again. This time, like, there's another update to it. Like, well, not necessarily. It's more so like on a specific VRChat world, which is an avatar search world that I've made previous videos before, and it's so far retro. Oh wait, no, not retroplay. That's the game emulator. Like, in so far, like, said VRChat world is called like Avatar Search World Balancer once again, and like basically. Like, this world technically got another update once again. But first, it seems like I'm having issues with, like, VRChat launching. Let me try to, like, temporarily pause my video recording for a moment. Okay, now it's working. So I'm going to, like, because, like, I already set, like, a Avatar Search World Browser as my favorite, like, a default, like, a VRChat home to spawn into. Let me show you, like, one of the big updates to it. So I'm going to, like, turn it into landscape mode because that's my preferred mode. And, like, so far, as you can see, the world size is, like, significantly smaller in terms of, like, the compressed, like, file size, which means like it can now be like faster to like load up like the VRChat world, especially if you have really good, strong, and fast internet. And now it's like under 10 megabytes, making it like very friendly for like especially lower end devices that only like have the most minimum of like requirements to launch VRChat. And now it's gonna be loaded up. Like, so far, like, what essentially happened is like the developers like added like a shit ton of changes. Like, besides the world size, like, they also added a rules banner now, which is like very needed. Like, you can't escape like the box of like this without like agreeing to like some of the rules by pressing them. And like, while I'm waiting for my avatar to load, let's see all the glimpses of the rules. You can like essentially pause the video if you want to like read them all. Essentially, there's like up to like 12 or 13 rules here. Like, some of them are quite long, so I'm probably gonna like scroll, like pause in some moments to be able to like read them, like read all the rules precisely, and then I can press the I agree to rules. And now that one of my favorite avatars, Shantae, has been downloaded, you can now see like it's now a huge world. Well, a huge platform of an avatar search world, mainly because like Avatar Search World Balancer recently reached how many? 1,147,621 visits as of now, which is great. Which, like, now it's like one of the more popular like avatar search apps, like in terms of like avatar search worlds, like compared to like way before. And even the microphone seems working. And so far I'm in an invite only instance, which is like labeled as the you are here area. So like this is like basically like a great milestone for like a Avatar Search World Balancer has gotten, which like I'm really happy for them that they're able to like achieve like a such an important milestone for their game. Which like they like made like the platform space to be like essentially huge for like a large Avatar like Search World Balancer enjoyers and like users and like those who like frequently hang out there, such as myself. Especially ever since like I requested like a Avatar Search World Balancer to like basically like add like my favorite features to be added, such as like the VRChat world pens to draw, and also like essentially the like mirrors, like the green screen and blue screen mirrors, which are still here to this day as of this version. Like the world like seems like surprisingly quite big now. Like despite like the seemingly small size, it used to be around like a 17 plus megabytes to load up, and it was rather a small world. But in like in an earlier version, but it's not considered that major. In the earlier version, like it was technically still 17 plus megabytes, but like you can like essentially like still see that's a large world. And so far like desktop got the update first, as far as I remember seeing my friends like interact said world before mobile got an update. So I'm going to like tap the UI, because like usually there's a function of enabling this, but sometimes it kind of glitches out for whatever reason. Probably because like it's trying to like load up like some parts of the world, which is like understandable. And probably because like my phone is like laggy, but then again like I make sure that I'm near a fan to like be able to like cool down my phone as of right now. So apologies if you hear any like wind sounds. And so far there's a gay cafe VRChat world, which I definitely support, like a LGBTQ plus, and like even more like information is added for like a Avatar Search World Balancer. And there's also this standard like a video player, which you need to like copy paste links in order to like play videos. Like there's no way to like search them up, because it doesn't have like a YouTube based like a search feature. But it's kind of alright. Like it's like the more accessible of sorts, the more accessible video player of sorts, which like any like a VRChat like a world developer would want to use. Now let's go check if my microphone is working, just in case. If it turns out like my VRChat microphone is not working, oh well, it's alright. And as you can see, judging from VRChat's updates and while like recording this video with my media and microphone on, that means it's able to now like sense my input, even right here. So I'm going to like start test test my microphone right now. Hi, this is my VRChat microphone sound test as of now. Hope it works. Like, hang on, I'm probably gonna need to like re-enable like my sounds to not be muted. So right here, let me test the test again. Now, hi, this is my VRChat microphone sound test as of now. Hope it works. Now, hi, this is my VRChat microphone sound test as of now. Hope it works. Now, and this is what it looks like when like I have my microphone on. Microphone sound test as of now. Hope it works. Now, hi, this is my VRChat. This is what it sounds like. Microphone sound test as of now. Hope it works. So yeah, that's what happens when like you just like enable like the microphone essentially. Like it like reduces the volume to like enable like the other sounds to be like deafened and like lowered in volume a little, while like you're able to like talk clearly in microphone, which is a great improvement in terms of like VRChat updates, in terms of like allowing like screen recording, which is a good sign. I'm thankful for VRChat to do that at least. So now with the microphone test in VRChat working properly as of now, let's check if like the UI is able to tap. For some reason, it won't seem to like work. Like usually it usually works when I enter, but probably if I try to basically re-enter my world again, like I press rejoin, or like press respawn, or more so just press rejoin. Like hopefully like it'll make the UI function again, because like if it doesn't let me join back in and like allow the UI to be clickable, then that's not a good sign. So I'm gonna re-enable my pens again, because like obviously you just want to like test them like in my instance, in my like personal invite only hub, which is essentially private. And I'm gonna test like the UI once again, if it's clickable. If not, like we probably got a problem. And so far it's not clickable again. Not a good sign. Like before in the previous updates, it's able to. It seems like we technically got a problem over here. Like rejoin doesn't seem to work. Let me try respawn. Like usually pressing the UI like always works. I wonder why it's not working now. It worked beforehand. And if this is a persistent issue, like I hope like the developers would help fix this problem. Unless like it's not a problem on like my end. And so far, let me check if I'm able to click the UI here. So far, I'm not able to like click the video player UI either, which is not good. So let me try respawning. Like this is like respawn where I'm back to like the exact same spot because like I need to like show like the other like features and changes shown here. So far not much really not much like progress in like changing it up, like any sense of like changing it up to like fix the problems of like the clickable like UI. So I'm probably going to like make a new instance, a new private invite only instance, join. So like I'm gonna like try this again. If it doesn't work, I should probably like enter another VRChat world. Meanwhile, like I'm just going to like temporarily load one of my favorite worlds. My favorites number 2. There's like a karaoke world that I wanted to like load up, provided I remember where it was. Well, alright then. I probably may have forgotten, but I should like search properly while I'm at it. So like I'm just like gonna load like a random world if I'm unable to find like a certain VRChat world I'm looking for. Not here then. Let's try seeing more. If it's not here, I'll probably just load a random VRChat world at that point. So far, I don't see one of my favorite worlds, but it's alright. I can like essentially like load up another favorite world. Let's see where I put that one. There it is, Popcorn Palace. Because like this one has a built-in like a search, like a YouTube video search feature, and this one's rather big, so like probably best to wait. So like hopefully the UI is able to be usable again. If not, I have to like exit, and it does not work. I wonder why. Like, this used to work, like, before, and I am confused as to why it's unable to work. Like, I'm genuinely confused, like, I don't understand why the UI is not working. So, like, probably I should, like, try to, like, re-enter this world again, but through another VRChat world. So, like, I'm going to check, like, the progress of said world being loaded up, which is Popcorn Palace. So far, it's, like, almost halfway there. So, in the meantime, I'm just going to, like, load up, like, some of my favorite avatars and, like, chat while, like, I'm basically, like, loading up said worlds. Each avatar to load up, one at a time. Luckily, Riel's like a character file in terms of avatars is like on the smaller scale in terms of like the compression size, which is quite good. And then like Knights is next. Waiting for Knights to load up. Knights is like also 1 megabyte. And then like I'll go to like the next character to load up, which is like Queen Bella. And let's check. Like she's also 1 megabyte. Like a bunch of Knights characters I got, like some of them are 1 megabyte. Others like exceed like a few megabytes. But usually maximum compression is always 9 megabytes per like avatar selected characters. And then I'm probably going to like have like the Nightopian. Essentially. Also loading up as 1 megabyte. And then I'll probably like get like claws over here as well. And I'll probably like head for like a few like Sonic characters. And even like a few Shantae characters as well. Yeah, like for Claus's case, it's like 5 megabytes. I also have like 2 other like Knights character extras, so like Knights in Riel, but like in their Journey of Dreams designs. I'm probably gonna wait for Claus's load up. So like, let me like check once again if like the UI works, just in case, because like I'm waiting for a bit to like see if it works, because holy shit, like not being able to interact is not a good sign for the UI. It used to work before in like the previous versions. I don't know why it won't let me use this. Like, if it turns out like if there's a case where it's not a bug and it's more so a security feature, which like you're probably not allowed to screen record, that would not be a good sign, because like what's the point of like having a VRChat world review if you can't like record like certain features that like work in like some of the worlds, such as avatar search world balancers, like avatar search feature. Like at least it's understandable that you don't want anybody to like plagiarize like anybody's like avatars, and you also don't want folks to like accidentally like make other users angry that like their like avatars are like being shown but no proper credit or even permission, which in of itself can be a can of like a problematic worms. I'm probably gonna download some of the other characters. Wave is like one of the larger character files with 7 megabytes. And then like I'm probably gonna keep downloading like some more characters. Let's try like sticks. Larger by 8 megabytes. And then probably the last of the Sonic character, Sally. And then after said characters, I'm going to like load up like a few of the Shantae characters. Let me check the Shantae characters. So far, I probably only got like two of Shantae's best friends. I wasn't able to like find like a proper like Sky avatar because like Sky is like kind of hard to find, mainly because like her name is like not as unique compared to some of the characters like Bolo and Roddy Tops. So like I got Sally now, and then I'll probably like load up like the last two, which is like Risky Boots and Roddy Tops. Let me download Roddy Tops for a moment. Yeah, one of the larger characters as well. And like when she's done loading up, Risky Boots is next. And also the last. Probably I'll download like a FNAF character like Roxanne Wolf. And like I got her now. Like I don't know, I just like loading up some of the characters. And like, even though the world has technically loaded up, like I don't know, like I'm sometimes into like loading up some characters. I'm still baffled as to why the UI would not load up. But perhaps if I like either wait or more so like try to like re-enter the world by like getting into another one and getting back into this one, it may help. And this one's the largest, well, one of the largest by 9 megabytes. So yeah, basically like these worlds are like these avatars are like quite large. Yep, looks like I got like a Roxanne Wolf, but I like going to like go back to like Shantae essentially. Queen Belle is like usually my second option. I like Shantae is like usually my first. I'll switch to Queen Belle if some don't like revealing like a character avatars of sorts. And like probably before I go I should check on the UI one last time. I can't seem to play it here. I hope it's really not like a problem with like the screen recording situation, because like the UI is like not working. Like I can't properly showcase the UI without like dealing with the UI not like showing itself. Obviously not everybody's gonna like take somebody's word for it without like showcasing said features. New instance, invite only, join. Now let's just like load up like Popcorn Palace real quick. Like if it doesn't work, then that's gonna be problematic. Like if I like hop one world and go back to Avatar Search World Balancer, because really it's not gonna be a good look for like the new update. Probably like chances are like their database could be down, which I do see like sometimes like on Discord, and they're like a Discord group, Avatar Search World Balancer, which is like understandable, but like still problematic to deal with. So like I'm gonna set this world in medium quality. Could be lag on my end. Yeah, it's definitely lag. Like technically I'm just like wandering around a bit. There should be some like usable things around here, unless this is what happens when I disable everything. There's usually some props around here. I'm just like checking around for a bit. Just checking out like the world and like even its props. And it looks like it's quite a maze. It can be quite a maze. Ugh, it's starting to make me dizzy though. Oh, there's even another secure little world. But I don't know if like there's some interactable stuff around here. Maybe that's what happens. Let's just try to respawn. Let's try to make everything max. Probably it will re-enable props this time. Yes, this is one of them. Like so far, I can press drop and it'll just float in the air. However, I discovered that like if you like press and hold the usually when you press and hold to use it, it's used for interactable objects, like for the case of the VRChat world pens where you can draw. However, what I didn't know is that if you press and hold the drop button or the let go, it like basically does this. It's a throw button the whole time. What the shit? I just learned this now. Tap to drop, tap and hold to throw. Like you can like essentially like try like pressing in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Yeah, it can throw very far, which is quite interesting. But now like back to like the review, because which apologies for like taking so long, but it basically the UI is like having a problem being clickable in like VRChat, avatar search world balancer right now. So I don't know why it was acting up like that. So I have to like reload the world again. You just need to find it right here, and I'll have a new instance, invite only. If it doesn't work, I have to do the next step, which is like deleting the previous load, and like I have to reload it again if this doesn't work. Otherwise I need to like exit that app, the VRChat app, after that method, which is not good. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Like the UI here is not loading. It doesn't load up while like Popcorn Palace is like normal, which is not good. If I'm able to tap that, who knows if I'm able to tap this. Once again, not working too well. I can't press them either in this one. Not a good sign. That means I have to like go back to Popcorn Palace and like delete like the world, like to like load up, like clear preload, and then I'll go back to worlds and like load up like a Popcorn Palace once again. Invite only. Let's drop a portal this time around. Only has 30 seconds. Tap to enter. Like I had to like clear like a preload and like a re-enable like avatar search world balancer. Like, this is not a good sign. I was hoping it was able to work at the time, but in terms of my memory from like their Discord servers, like Avatar World Search Balancer can sometimes be down for a variety of reasons, which is still to this day understandable. So I'm going back once again to worlds, finding said world, and like clear load. Yes. And then reload the app. This should not be taking too long, but sadly, due to the circumstances, it kinda has. Micah, let's try again. So I'm going to like make a new instance again. Invite only. Now let's try this again. Otherwise I have to like exit VRChat and try again. And if it doesn't work when I close the VRChat app, like a force close and like restart it, I have to like clear VRChat's like a cache and try. Like, that would technically be the last resort. Otherwise, I have no choice but to wait. Let's try again. Not good once again. Not good. This is not good. Luckily, I do technically have screenshots beforehand on VR, like a Avatar World Search Balancer's like update before like this like problem happened. So like if I'm unable to like use any of the solutions provided that I'm like able to like do, then that means like the screenshots are technically my only like a hope, which I'm glad I took them because like I want to like see what the features look like, which like I'll like add them like here like on top of the video, or more so like at the end of the video, which like this is clearly problematic. Like, if Avatar Search World Balancer is down, like, has some, like, problems, or, like, more so, like, they added, like, some security purposes for, like, whatever reasons. Yeah, like, I'm still baffled. Like, the UI is still not working. That means I'm probably gonna do the next solution. So I'm probably gonna like temporarily pause the video recording for a moment. Okay, back at it again, as a FNAF song once says in its lyrics. Like, let's see if it works, because if it doesn't, that means I have to clear VRChat's cache, and that means like sadly I would have like wasted all my time downloading like some of my favorite characters. And mic is working properly again. Now let's just check the UI of these two. I'm gonna try mirrors first. Nothing. That is not a good sign. The search also not a good sign. That means like my last available active solution would technically be to clear VRChat's cache. And I can't even click the video player. Oh well, one more solution. Alright, one more time. Let's just wait for it to load. I hope it's not a mobile problem. Because, like, if this doesn't work, I may have to, like, implement, like, a screenshots of it, but, like, if I feel like the screenshots are not satisfactory of, like, what VRChat's, like, Avatar's World Search Balancer, like, looks like with the new UI system, then, like, I'll probably have to re-record the video again. While, like, it's, like, actually having, like, a functional state, essentially. So, like, here it is, again. Let's hope it works. Alright, let's go. If this doesn't work, then it's probably like a bug or like one of the usual problems again. Let's see, microphone. Okay. Agree to rules. If I'm able to click the agree to rules UI, why I'm unable to click the rest? That's the question. So once again, mirror UI. Let's see if you work. Apparently not again. Like, this is like very problematic. Like, if you're seeing like me like struggle with like all of this, like I'll probably put like all of the UI like change, like a UI updates, especially to this one, because like it like updated this menu by a lot. Like, it can now like hide the avatar search if you like want to be clean and such, or like you probably don't want other users in like your hosted instance to like mess with like avatars or like get like inappropriate, mature, adult rated avatars, which is not necessarily good and also understandable. So like if I opted to re-record again, like hopefully like Avatar Search World Balancers like search and like mirrors are back up again, unless it's a problem with like VRchat Mobile as a whole. And I'll, like I said before a few times already, I'll put like screenshots of like all the UI like changes added in like a VRchat's Avatar Search World Balancer, like on top of like the video of like me struggling to like get it to work. But oh well. Later, folks. Thanks for viewing this video. Video is over as of now. So later.